What's up, everyone? Get ready for an in-depth look at this incredible piece of tech we've been testing. Have you ever looked at your stunning digital photography and wished you could bring that same vibrant, breathtaking detail to life on paper? Imagine your most intricate shots, your most vivid landscapes, or your most subtle portraits, transformed into gallery-worthy prints that truly capture the essence of your vision. Well, stop imagining, because today we're diving deep into a machine that makes that a tangible reality. The Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 4100 44-inch professional photographic large-format inkjet printer. This isn't just a printer. It's a gateway to unparalleled creative expression for serious photographers and printmakers. Let's talk about the heart of what makes this printer so revolutionary. Its print quality and color accuracy, powered by Canon's LUCIA PRO 12 color ink system. This isn't just an incremental upgrade. It's a seismic shift in how your images translate from screen to print. With 12 dedicated inks, including a chroma optimizer, the Pro 4100 achieves an incredibly wide color gamut, producing rich, vibrant colors and incredibly smooth gradations that are simply breathtaking. What does this mean for you? It means your reds will be richer, your blues deeper, and your skin tones more natural than you've ever thought possible from a printer. Every detail, from the finest hair to the most intricate texture, is rendered with stunning clarity and precision, ensuring your prints stand out with professional-grade excellence. This printer doesn't just print. It reproduces your art with a fidelity that will amaze both you and your clients. But what good is incredible color if you're limited in what you can print on? This is where the Pro 4100's exceptional media handling and versatility truly shine. This 44-inch beast isn't just about size, it's about freedom. Whether you're working with fine art papers, glossy photographic stock, durable canvas, or even delicate transparencies, the advanced media feeding system ensures smooth, precise handling. You can load rolls for large panoramas or multiple prints, or feed individual cut sheets for specialized projects. Imagine being able to create massive, borderless prints for exhibitions or perfectly sized canvases for client installations, all from one machine. This versatility gives you the creative control to explore new mediums and expand your artistic offerings, ensuring that no matter your vision, the Pro 4100 can bring it to life on the perfect surface. It's about empowering you to push your creative boundaries effortlessly. Now, for a professional tool of this caliber, reliability and support are paramount. And this is where the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 4100 truly offers peace of mind. When you invest in a machine like this, you want to know you're backed by the best. That's why we're thrilled to highlight that CES Imaging is a Canon Platinum reseller. What does this mean for you? It means you're not just buying a printer. You're gaining access to expert knowledge, genuine Canon products, and unparalleled customer service from a trusted partner. They understand these machines inside and out. And to top it off, you get a full 1-year on-site warranty directly from Canon. Think about that. If any issue arises, Canon's certified technicians will come to your location to resolve it. This minimizes downtime, protects your investment, and ensures your workflow remains uninterrupted, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating stunning prints. So, who is the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 4100 for? It's for the serious photographer, the ambitious artist, the demanding print shop, or anyone who refuses to compromise on print quality. This isn't just an expense, it's an investment in your craft, your business, and your artistic legacy. It's about transforming your digital dreams into breathtaking physical realities, consistently and reliably. If you're ready to elevate your print game and experience the pinnacle of large format photographic printing, don't wait. Find the link to the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 4100 and more details about CES Imaging in the description below. Go ahead, unleash your creative potential, and make print